located near Roberts Park Johnson Branch, moving north at 45 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Collinsville around 7:05 p.m., Whitesboro and Callisburg around 7:15 p.m., Willis around 7:35 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. A severe thunderstorm